In the 1970s, my grandfather purchased a lighting company out of Ohio. Since then, we've grown into a leading lighting company who uses technology to develop solutions for our end customer. We work with them and understand their requirements and what it takes to get the product to market. At JW Speaker, there's many reasons why we adopted additive manufacturing, such as speed, financial benefits, and customization. We use AM mostly for prototypes, fixtures, and then small volume production. One of the biggest benefits is being able to customize parts quickly for the customer at a low cost. AM has resolved some of the supply chain issues because we're not waiting for a ship to cross the ocean. It's really allowed us to do a lot more things in our control.
The additive manufacturing technologies that we have really allow us to be more in control of our own efficiencies and timelines. The F370 CR we use primarily for fixturing. There are very robust materials that are associated with that printer, like nylon CF10. And another thing I really like about this printer is the ease of changing materials and changing heads, and also being able to change your slice height with a few clicks in GrabCAD.
We've really found their new technology, Origin, as the new game changer for small volume production because there's nowhere on the market that you get that surface finish that is so close to injection molding quality.
My impressions of the parts that I've seen come off of the Origin One, they're very, very high definition, great surface finish. One benefit of the Origin One printer that I really love is the IND 475 elastomer. Not many 3D printing technologies can provide this kind of elastomer. It's a great candidate for the gaskets that we 3D print. It's also a great alternative to getting tooling made. We save a lot of money on not making an injection molding tool by 3D printing the gaskets.
GrabCAD Pro has opened a lot of features that we see as a benefit. It's more user-friendly. We used to have to use a different software, which was very manual, and so it's just streamlined that whole process.
So this here is a prototype that we have printed on the Origin One. Something really cool about printing this bezel now is that GrabCAD just became kind of a one-stop shop. We can generate supports right in GrabCAD.
We've been using AM for about 8 years. We recently grew our AM portfolio by partnering with Stratasys, bought a couple of their new machines that really has opened up what we're able to do here.
Being able to count on yourself to not have to go to a third party to get what you need is really freeing. Once you get into 3D printing, you're going to see applications for it everywhere.